Hi my friends, today is a very special day for me because I am going to cook a very special dish for my family. Neither I had tried this one nor I had cooked this recipe previously. So it is very surprising for me and my family also. What I want to cook, I don't have plan yet, but I have collected something. Let's see what I have collected for today's cooking. I have cut, cleaned all the mushrooms in this shape. I have taken salted peanuts, baby corns, garlic, onion, chilies. Now I will boil all the baby corns for soften the baby corns because I cannot eat the raw baby corns. Now I will cut the cucumber, rub them well for extracting the bitterness of the cucumber. Now I will wash it. I will use this cucumber in the recipe and I will cook this cucumber. I tell to forget you that I am boiling the corns into salt water. I have added salt into the boiling water for boiling the corns. Now I am cutting this cucumber and mix them with salt. I am mixing salt for releasing water from the cucumber. I don't want the extra water from the cucumber for cooking. Now I am mix it well and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes for releasing water. You can use many kind of vegetables like carrots, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, any kind. I have only these vegetables in my fridge, so I am using it. I am chopping onion in the cubic shape. One more thing you should remember, that while you are cooking any vegetables, a different type of vegetables, different kind of vegetables, always always cut. Actually, you should cut all the veggies in the same size and portion for cooking it properly. I am going through the weight loss journey, so I am cooking this type of less oil food which is tasty as well as healthy. Now I am chopping all the garlic cloves. Now I am good in chopping, as all of you know that practice makes the man perfect. Rather I would say practice make me perfect. Now I am using green chilies. Many thanks to the Almighty that today while I am recording, there is no background disturbance. I am shooting my video very peacefully. I think you got that idea that what I am going to cook, very easy and simple. Let's see what I am going to do next. Corns are now perfectly boiled. Now I will lift them up from the boiling water and cut them into small pieces with this magical chopper knife. It is very efficient in cutting, chopping. I am using it since 6 months and I am happy with that. If you find this chopper knife, actually it is known as butcher's knife, you will be very happy like me in cutting, chopping. It can cut fish, mutton, chicken, everything. All are set. Now I am going to cook. I am using sunflower oil for cooking. You can use any kind of oil. 1 spoon oil I am using, that much. Stir fried all the veggies. First I am tempered the oil with garlic and chilies. Next I add all the veggies one by one. Lastly I am adding mushrooms. Now I am sprinkling some red flakes, chili flakes, and salt. Add salt and chili flakes last in the cooking, because you all know that salt, whenever we use salt in the cooking, water release from the veggies. Add peanuts at the last stage of your cooking. Saute them well and mix properly with other vegetables. Can you say which ingredient is missing? Yes, this cucumber. Yes. Now you can see I am releasing water from this cucumber. I am squeezing it out with my hands. You can use any cloth for this process. I don't have cloth right now, so I am using my hands only. Next, add these all cucumbers. 2 minutes more. After that, my dish is ready. I am using little bit of sugar into this. Use salt, pepper, sugar as per your taste. Now it is ready to decorate. Oh, don't forget to squeeze a dash of lemon juice. It will enhance the taste more. Done. My cooking is done. Is it simple and easy? Please give me an honest feedback in the below comment section box if you really tried it. And if you are in the weight loss journey, it is a good method of cooking tasty and healthy food. Now, time to decorate. I have placed the what name is perfect for this dish? I think it should be mushroom, baby corn, and peanut salad. Is it okay? Please give a name for this dish which I have made for the first time. I will recommend you to try it once so that you can also taste this unique food which is very fresh and refreshing and tasty as well as healthy. Just sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of that and some peanuts on the top. Would you like to see more contents? Then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.